Here's another delicious serving from Chef Ron Bilal.
Ito ang Thai-style basa and shrimp curry. Isutay sa canola oil ang sibuyas, red potatoes at luya. Dagdagan ng isang Japanese eggplant at dinikdik na bawang. Ihalo ang sake or white wine, isama ang chicken stock at palambutin ang talong at patatas. Meanwhile, cut skinless basa fillets into large chunks. Kapag kumukulo na po ang broth, idagdag ang isang lata ng gata, yellow curry powder at turmeric. Haluin at hayaang kumulo ng 6 minutes. Samahan ng string beans at bell pepper. Dahan-dahang isama ang isda at hipon. Adjust the heat to medium. Cover the pot and cook for another 5 minutes. Pagkatapos ay lagyan ng chopped cilantro. A finely chopped jalapeno is optional. Serve over rice and garnish with cilantro and chives.
For recipes and more, log on to ulalam.tv or watch Ulalam Sundays on TFC.